Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, leave a comment and a like. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to become a pro forex trader, okay, in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so you head over to your app store, play store, then you download Go Forex. Okay, you download Go Forex. So this app is going to teach you how to become a pro trader and also give you a demo account to be trading. Okay, so this is how it looks like, but since I already have it, I'll just go ahead to the app. Here's the app. Okay, so I'll just launch it. Okay, so when you launch it, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you have a chart running. So the current charts you are seeing is AUD USD, okay, which is the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. Okay, so you can decide to switch it depending on the asset or the currency you want to trade. Yeah, as you can see, the ones available are the AUD and the USD. You have the GBP and USD. Okay, we also have gold here. Okay, and also we have Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin is over here. Okay, so you can tap on it to see the current chart. All right, okay, so let's go back to the main purpose of this video. So in case you want to learn how to trade or become a pro forex trader, you need to tap on this button which says learn. Okay, so it's going to take you step by step on how to become a pro forex trader. Okay, so the first topic says why forex trade. Okay, why trade forex. Okay, so when you tap on it, it will give you every single detail you need to know. Okay, yeah, that's how it is. It will give you the history of forex, how forex came about, and every single thing you have to know. Okay, so after that, the second chapter is how much can you make in trading. Okay, followed by when to trade, basics, social trading or copy trading. Okay, smart portfolios, the language of forex, following the fundamentals, and a whole lot. Okay, so when you are done, you just head over to your trade section. This is a demo account. Okay, so with this one you trade with risk free, meaning you are not going to trade with your real money. So when you are done trading and you want to apply it with real money, yeah, you head over to any broker at all, then you deposit real money. Okay, then you start trading. Okay, so in my next video I'll be showing you guys how to create a real account, deposit into the account, and start trading with your real money. Okay, yeah, but in today's video I'm just showing you how to become a pro trader. Okay, so when you head to this button, okay, we say stop, you see people who are actually making money. Okay, yeah, people who are trading. As you can see, there are a whole lot. Okay, yeah, this where you analyze. Okay, so after learning you come to the analyze section, then you analyze. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so let's take a trade and see. So you tap on your trade button, you analyze this trade and see how it will go. You predict whether it's going to buy or sell. Okay, so let me change the okay you let's just go with this one. Okay, so let's assume we're going for sell. Okay, so it will ask you of your position size. That's the amount you want to trade with, either $100, $200, $500, $1,000, or $2,000. With the $2,000, you have to watch a video, which is actually an advert, before you will be able to trade with this $2,000. And the leverage, you have 1 times, 5 times, 10 times, 30 times, and 50 times. Okay, same applies to the 50 times. You have to watch an advert, okay, before you'll be able to use this leverage. Okay, so let's go in for 5,000 position size, and also 10 10 times leverage. Okay, this is just for this video. Okay, since you are not going to lose any money. All right, so you tap on trade. As you can see, I went in for a sell. Okay, as you can see, it's selling. So this is the profit I'm making right now. Okay, yeah, this is the profit I'm making right now. So when I close it, tap on close. As you can see, this is the profit I've made. Okay, this is just a sample for you to understand how Forex actually works. Okay, so when you want to learn Forex and master or major Forex, you just head over to this side, read everything. They'll be giving you some practical aspects where you'll be trading. Yeah, that's basically for this video. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, and also comment what you think about this video. Let me know in the comment section what you want to learn next. Okay, thank you for watching this video.